Hello friends, I hope you all are good. Now whatever our next part is salts. So basically here salts is what? Salts are compound formed by partial or total replacement of the ion. Okay, total replacement of the ionizable hydrogen from acids by metallic ions, or we can say ammonium ion. So we will see here example, that is NaOH plus H2SO4. What you will get? Suppose if you are thinking about partial replacement. So partial replacement means what? One hydrogen only replaced. So NaOH plus H2SO4. One hydrogen will replace. What will happen? NaHSO4 plus H2O. Okay. And when we are to replace total of that hydrogen, means whatever two hydrogen from this H2SO4 we are to replace. So for that, see here what will happen. Your reaction becomes H2SO4 plus NaOH, and you will get what, beta? Yes, Na2SO4 plus H2O. 2H2O. So say here 4 hydrogens. Okay, everything is balanced here. Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. So these are what? Here salts, and with the example of this NaOH plus H2SO4 we saw. Now see classification of salts. In next part, in next point we will discuss classification of salts. So see here in classification of salts, classification of salts. So in classification of salts, on the basis of its composition, on the basis of its, say, on the basis of its composition. So on the basis of this composition, how we can salts categorize? Okay, so see how we can categorize on the basis of its composition. Okay, so these are salts. Now say here, okay, like that, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first here, simple salts. What, beta? Yes, simple salts. Okay, then here what? Double salts. Double salts. Then here what? Mixed salts. Mixed salts. And here what? Complex salts. Simple, double, mixed and complex salts. These are what? Simple classification of salts here. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. What is our simple salts, then complex, okay, double salt, mixed salts. So first what will I here? Simple salts. So in simple salts, say classification on the basis of their chemical nature. Okay, simple salts means what? Classification on the basis of their what? Chemical nature. So chemical nature as like this, as you know, for example, we will discuss K2Cr2O7, okay, then KMnO4, potassium permanganate, okay, then cobalt nitrate, CONO3 twice. So these are examples of what? Simple salts. Like there are so many examples of simple salts here. Okay, now beta here, whatever your simple salts again categorize into neutral, acidic and basic salts. Okay, so that also we will see how your simple salts are categorized. See, your these simple salts, how it will categorize. See, okay, say here neutral salts, okay, then what beta here? Acidic salts, and here what? Basic salts. So we will see here one by one your neutral salts, acidic and basic. So in neutral salts, suppose if you are thinking about neutral salts, so that also we will discuss here. Okay, all we have to discuss whatever your mixed salt, complex salts, double salts. Okay, don't worry. So we will first concentrate on whatever in simple salts, your neutral salt. Small a what beta? Neutral salts. So basically these salts is formed by, how it will form? These salts is formed by the reaction of strong acid and strong base. So now only we discuss that reaction. Okay. See here, strong acid plus strong base. Your NaOH is what? Strong base beta. So what you will get? Yes, Na2SO4 plus H2O. For balancing, take here 2. Yes, our reaction is balanced. Strong acid and strong base. So basically, whatever salt here you will get, that salt is what? Neutral in nature. That salt is what beta? Neutral in nature. So beta, hydrogen of this acid is completely replaced by whom? Your whatever this hydrogen is replaced by your sodium sodium cation we can say. Okay, and one more here example. These are what your first example. Second example, strong acid. Yes, HCl, strong acid plus strong base, NaOH, strong acid and strong base. So what you will get here? NaCl plus H2O. Whatever this salt is what? Which nature this? Which nature it is? Your neutral salt simply. Okay. Now some other also example of your neutral salts are there. So that other examples say NaNO3. Okay. Then your KCl. Then K2SO4, etc. Okay, so these are what your neutral salts. Having pH is what? pH is equal to 7 because these are what? Neutral. We discuss in pH. Okay, so see here, we will discuss small b parts. That is, small b is what? Your small b, your acidic salts. So see here, in acidic salts, in small b part, that is acidic salts. In acidic salts, okay, so how it will form these acids? So these acidic salts are formed by, okay, so these acidic salts are formed by your, obviously acidic salts we want. So these are formed by, here we want a strong acid and weak base. Okay, strong acid and weak base. These such type of salts are formed by what? Strong acid and weak base. Okay, so say ready for example, having pH of what? pH is less than 7 because it is acidic. 1 to 6.9 pH. Okay, so say HCl, strong acid plus your NH4OH, weak base. That is what? Yes, NH4Cl plus H2O. So beta, this is what? Your acidic salt. And this acidic salt is prepared by what? From HCl and NOH, NH4OH. Okay. Some other examples also there. Which examples here? Other examples. FeCl3, comma, then AlCl3 also beta. Then your ammonium sulfide NH4 twice SO4, etc. These are what? Examples of your acidic salts. Okay. Now we will move towards whatever examples of small c, basic salts. Okay. So see here, in basic salts, what we have to discuss? Small c here, basic salts. Okay. So in basic salts we have to concentrate on, so how it will form? It is formed between the reaction of, yes, strong base and weak acid. Okay, so weak acid, as you know this, which weak acid? Acetic acid. So strong base here, this NaOH plus weak acid CH3COH. Strong base, this weak acid, that is what? CH3COONA plus H2O. Okay, here it will break. So breaking also, you see here how it will break. CH3COO minus plus H plus. Here what? Na plus OH minus. Then positive and negative part it will attract and forming a bond. New bond. Old bond will break and new bond will form. Okay. Understood? So whatever this salt is what? Beta basic salt. Why it is basic salt? Because your NaOH is strong base in that. Other example, suppose if you are considering other example, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, then CH3COO, potassium acetate, okay, and sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, etc. So these are what few examples here we discuss in in simple salt, categorized neutral, acidic and basic. I hope you understood all these things. Okay, in next lecture we will continue with our whatever double salts, mixed salts and complex salt. Okay, so take care, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.